Hello, guys. Welcome,
Hi guys, hi.
welcome, welcome, Udit.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hi
Welcome,
Siddharth.
thank,
Hi Yogesh. Hi Humayun.
Hi Mudit.
welcome,
Hello.
welcome, Yogesh. Welcome, Ayush.
Hi Ayush.
Hi Ayush.
Hello, how are you? Hi. Doing great.
Great. So the new normal,
Just
huh?
chilling.
Yeah,
The new
Yeah.
normal, as we all say, guys. So welcome to Celto Tech Talk today, and I'm really very happy to have you all with us. Uh, Sudden change last minute that Humayun said that I'm coming, and we're like, yes, great, why not? So welcome, thank you, Humayun, for that last.
Thank
I
you for
think there were some
calling.
internet issues. That's
Yeah,
what
yeah.
you and great to see all of you friends in on this platform here. So, guys. Today you guys are all leading sound engineers slash rental companies in based in Delhi and having done really big shows, all types of shows. uh, so the can I hand over the reins to you guys and start the discussion on what we have
absolutely,
planned?
absolutely.
How's everybody? Just to start off with, because Humayun just ran in, so I'm guessing I'll give him 2 minutes. I'll
Yeah.
start with you guys first. How's Jaipur, Mudit? How are things there?
Things are good here. Like it's not that much of cramped out situation here in Jaipur. People are free to roam about and things are like chilled out a little bit. If people are following the proper norms and everything, everybody is given, the freedom to move around and things like that.
Acha.
So nothing too out of the extraordinary here, but yeah, definitely if there are certain places where the things are complicated here in Jaipur itself, so they have been isolated and they have been, restricted to everyone else. So
Hmm.
it's just that some particular places where it's growing up. Otherwise, rest all it's all fine. The kind of market is open. Like people are here and they're doing some shopping and like whatsoever and things like that. So nothing out of the extraordinary. Like I can go frequently for a drive around and things like that.
Hmm.
That's it. Nothing much.
Chalo, good. So it's easier than Delhi as of now.
I am not sure because when I came to Jaipur from Delhi, so it's almost what 20-25 days. It's for me been in Jaipur. So for me, the Delhi was better at that time. But what I'm
Hmm.
hearing now, so things are going haywire in Delhi as well. So I
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
know. Like you guys would
Things are
be
Ah,
having the first-hand
sadly.
experience. Like what's
things are
happening.
going pretty. I think Bombay, Delhi. I think actually this is a time to be in a place not Delhi and Bombay.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
these
yeah.
are the two worst hit places. I think if one can be anywhere else right now, it's kind of better.
Absolutely, absolutely. So
Yeah, because I think we
that's
are
true.
all finding, cases happening all around. But anyway, with that, I thought, our whole purpose of this is to kind of, uh, everybody is thinking what to do, what next, how things going to happen. There's a lot of uncertainty. So I think we are all, the whole purpose is that let's do something, let's be positive, let's share some things, let's share our, I mean, you guys come with a plethora of so many years of experience in the live sound industry. You guys have done so much. We recently had a session where we had Samir online. We had Subir. We've had Bail right? Everybody from the industry. Everybody kind of sharing. Everybody thinks figuring out what to do now. So the whole idea was that let's you know share, and if sharing isn't that sharing, we can kind of inspire people also. We can think, some ideas come up, some new things come up. It can be beneficial to everyone because
Absolutely.
this is a time where we have to basically, जैसे कहते हैं, time काटना है, in simple terms.
Hmm.
That's true. That's
I
true.
guess when one of my friends has very rightly said, I mean, this is a year for survival,
Yeah,
Absolutely.
is
yeah,
what we see it
I
as.
yeah. I would completely agree to that. I also heard some news that small things are being starting have started up here in Delhi and things like that. Like small marriage functions or things like that. So I don't know much about it. So what do you guys think? Like how's it going? If any one of you know about all
I
that.
did a I did a gig a few days back
Okay.
with one of my bands which I work with.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Hmm.
weddings have definitely started,
Mm-hmm.
but there are like minimum people, about 50 people are allowed.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yeah,
so this
so
is
it is
like
happening. The
indoors,
weddings
of
have
course,
started.
inside a
No, so
banquet.
it's the same thing. Like
Yes, it was indoor.
you make a package list and you load that inventory and just take it directly to the venue and just install it and do like
Mm.
the same way, or things the screening and the things have they changed,
The
or have they
screening,
put up?
yeah, there are some protocols which they are following right now. Screening is definitely
Okay.
happening. A lot of sanitization work is happening. So you need to hand over the place
Okay.
once the setup is done. You need to hand over the place to the hotel. They'll sanitize each and everything before people start coming in.
Mhm.
So they are getting a little particular about it now.
And
But what about your equipment? You're doing that yourself, or is somebody doing
No,
that for you?
it
How that is doing?
wasn't. The hotel is only doing it, but this particular gig I'm talking about, it wasn't my equipment. It was someone else's equipment.
Okay.
But yeah, that's the general procedure nowadays.
all right.
Okay.
And
And you may have no
how about
problem going in,
restriction
going
on?
out.
Sorry.
Sorry, Mudit was saying something. Sorry.
I was saying that how about restriction on manpower, things like that?
I'm not really aware
Not
about
really.
that.
Okay.
Yeah,
So you were mixing for the band, or
I
what?
was mixing for a band. That's how I was there at the venue.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What difference did you find from then and now? I mean, if I may ask.
So the setups, technically, the setups have become much smaller. It wasn't even a full band performing. It was just like a three-piece setup. And generally, it's like a six-piece setup. This time it was a three-piece setup. The stage was very small. Equipment was less, and the overall area was quite small because there were like very few people also.
Any other problems in
So generally,
particular
I
that you would
think
have faced?
not really. I was actually was pretty smooth. No problems as
Okay.
such.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's a good thing.
This was in a hotel.
This was in a hotel, ITC Grand Bharat.
Okay.
Ah, acha, okay. Okay, of
Was
course.
that the Guru Randhawa or something like that? Yeah.
No, that was yesterday. That was another thing. I was there for. I was there with Nasha when Nasha was performing. This was on 26th, I think. Yeah.
I was talking to somebody. They were saying that there are like artists, I think like Suryaveer and all, who are because they do a lot of private gigs, so they did start receiving some kind of information.
They're
And
doing a lot of. Those guys are doing a lot of online concerts, and they're getting paid for it.
so
Okay.
who's
So I
getting
mean, they
online
have
stuff done?
someone like a Surya. I really don't know, but they have a good following. There are some people who would probably want them to perform for them on a like a a virtual concert kind of a thing. So they are getting paid for it, and they are doing private streams and stuff.
Okay. I believe that's nice.
Yeah.
So I mean,
So
I think
I mean, people have started accepting the new normal. I think they're just trying to deal with it because
Okay.
entertainment cannot get over, right? People will
Absolutely.
find one or the other way of getting entertained.
Yeah, especially after the Chinese ban on apps. I'm not going to name any, but we all know which one.
Yeah.
so from the
we can
point of
name them.
view,
We can name them.
yeah.
I use only WeChat from that, which I was using, but besides, I definitely hadn't reached TikTok till now. But I believe it's very popular, by the way. Huh? That's what people
Yeah,
are
it's a
doing.
Yeah.
That I actually didn't realize till we started doing all this online stuff that how popular Instagram. I mean, Instagram is actually with a younger lot, and I kind
The
of got to
world
know this.
is world is living on Instagram and Facebook.
Yeah, Instagram is even for the younger lot. I mean, the kind way I understood is that the 20 somethings and the early 30 somethings are on Insta. The people like me, older ones, here I can't call anybody else old or no. At least people like me on the 40 category
Because you're
are
the
on
oldest
Facebook.
in this group right
And then
now.
I was told that there's TikTok where there is a totally 15-second video. But it I've gotten thinking that if you realize today our attention spans, this is what I realized, that we might even during the lockdown when we didn't have stuff to do, I kind of realized that our attention span has gotten smaller. We've gotten used to more information coming in, and we kind of, I don't know why, filtering it out and just like, if
It's
there's
not
an
even
article-
filtered out. It's not even processed. It just comes and goes, comes and goes, and comes and
Precisely,
goes. It's just
precisely.
wastage
That-
of
that's
sharing
a big
information.
problem.
That's it.
You know, a
He's
lot
saying you're
of
not able to
people are doing
practice.
seminars.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
mean, I've stopped them now because
yeah.
I'm not able to practice
You
anything.
can you obviously you cannot practice first of all, and the abundance of information there that is, and so you don't want to get confused. So suppose if I had a webinar, attended a webinar depending on an RF technique, so I learned it. But now if I don't go and practically implement it as you said, so what's the use of it?
That's what happened with me. I did all the
Yeah, and then you tend to forget
pretty
things.
hardcore.
Hmm.
So,
Came
so
here and now
if
it's
you
all-
lose the practice, so then you won't be able to turn on the mic, switch on the mic only. Am I Yogesh bhai?
Yeah. Why we share this? We'll share this little thing with you after.
Thank you, Mudit.
It happens. We're not taking any names. We realize out of
Yeah.
practice, out of mind, out of practice. But actually, that was the feedback we got. That's when we spoke. I spoke to all of you also. I mean, feedback actually, it wasn't from anyone else. It was from all of you guys, and you guys said that technical is now too much. Because I think also the way you guys have pretty much learned.
There's no harm in talking about it, but like how fruitful it is. Like you just constantly keep on speaking on the same thing. So you're gonna lose the value of that, that knowledge at a certain point of time. So you will think that you know about it, but you actually don't know about it because you haven't practiced upon it. So that is definitely gonna be different. So I don't know. We should think about different kind of things as well. I have, for example, from a vendor point of view, since Ayush was just telling about that the change of like the equipment. So what do you see? Like what kind of obviously they're gonna be the setup's gonna be very smaller as compared. It's gonna be niches or things like that. So what do you guys think about that? Like how a compact system with more fidelity is gonna change the market upcoming in let's say a product is sitting right behind you. There's an ISO ray hanging. I can see that very well. So it's a ultra compact system.
You want to get out of the way and show to them?
No, Yogesh bhai is just
Do
about
not let him move. He hasn't moved in a bit.
No, I don't.
exactly.
Okay, please.
So yeah. So what do you suggest? So see, there are DNBs, there are JBLs, there are RCF, there are XYZs. There are so many brands, there are acoustics and whatnot. So everybody has their big boxes, smallest of the boxes, everything. But what do you say that the industry, how it's gonna pick up with the
And
smaller?
Mr.
types
Studio has
of
decided to
equipment?
pick up a box and bring it over here. So
Oh wow.
This is how big, actually.
Yeah,
I can keep it on my lap. Huh?
amazing.
Nice.
yeah, honestly, Mudit, the first
it's
problem
quite
I
light also.
foresee,
15 kgs.
15 kgs, yeah.
I was saying the first problem I foresee is that most of the manpower is leaving Delhi or has left Delhi.
Yeah,
I
what
think
kind
that's
of
the biggest
manpower you're
problem
talking
we'll
about?
face. Yeah, the guys who lift our equipment.
You're talking about the labor force?
I'm talking about the labor. I'm talking
Okay.
about the labor right now. See,
Okay.
we have limited number of people for limited work.
Mhm.
And considering India, I mean, yaar, sabko aadat pad gayi hai कि, there's one senior person and then he has 10 people behind him. And then there's a hierarchy chain, of course. Now, the person on top is not expected to pick the equipment up, unlike Europe and America, जहाँ सब लोग सारा काम करते हैं.
That's actually very wrong notion. I don't know if where it has been practiced, but we don't practice that kind of thing with our organization and things like that. And especially, I am very particular about this. That there's no person small or big or something like that. If you are there with the equipment, see that equipment costs crores and crores and crores. So whether it's small or whether it's big, it's an equipment. If you don't know how to handle that equipment and you hand it over to some untrained person, it should be your ass which should be online. Not it should not be blamed on the labor or something like that. The labor's job is just to load.
No,
and
I
unload
don't
the
think I'm
equipment.
blaming anyone over here. I'm just saying
No, not in
this
the
is the
not in the
common
blaming.
hierarchy that we follow.
I think what he's trying to say is that in the Western countries, it's normally the owner of the rental company himself or the senior. Let's say the owner or like very senior people. They actually set up the equipment in the sense they actually lift up the boxes themselves. They actually set this now in India. I mean, a senior person is not really. I mean, he's going to help the boys and everything, fine. But you have what we call a labor labor. I mean, you don't have any such thing as labor in Europe or something, you know.
Just manpower, just the lifting manpower, and it's just
I think you're talking about
technical
lifting
manpower.
I'm
man.
not
and
talking about lifting
Yeah, he's
man,
talking-
loading,
yeah.
truck loading.
truck loading.
I'm
Yeah,
talking about
that's
that manpower. I'm not talking about the guys you have on your payroll.
So
Mhm.
you're
Yes.
saying those guys, but are they not coming now? Isn't there a reverse migration happening from what I
I
see?
think so. Yeah. I think that's
I-
also happening.
People
No?
will come back.
People will.
People will come.
No, bro, I'm talking about the
People
current
would want to
situation.
come back, but currently
There's
no,
work.
they're not coming back because there is no work in the market.
Hmm.
What are they going to do? Where are they going to go? Like my office is shut right now. All my guys are on leave. So what are they
It's the
going to
same
do?
thing. I think it's the same everywhere. Even my office is shut.
And we don't
Budil, I
plan to
know
open
audio
for
design
the-
is shut.
open it.
I mean,
Yeah.
Bhaiya comes to office once in a
Yeah,
while,
so
and there are few
it's
people.
just well, that's all different. Admin, office
Ah.
administration, and accounting things that
Ah.
is going on. Though that's the other thing. It's nothing regarding the the shows or technicals or it's just we are just going through the equipment and like we are seeing like if everything is working fine or not, or like when the time comes it needs to be.
I know the best you can do
Maintenance
is
time,
repair your
basically.
equipment or just
Absolutely.
probably
And
try
this
and
is
fix
the
whatever's wrong.
Yeah, and every year this is the time when we do it because the rest of the year around we are busy with the shows and things like that. So I think that this is the correct time, like every year also, and despite this lockdown and unlockdown whatsoever is happening, the same things are happening, but not at that obviously full force, not at that same speed. Things needs to be changed, and other different types of practice should be followed.
So I'm going to take 2 minutes from rental firm to a freelancer person,
Absolutely.
who's just a freelance engineer who has nothing to do with rental firms. Humayun, what are you doing and what do you see?
See, honestly, I've been home and I was
Acha.
been attending seminars, studying what I can actually study. But as we were talking about manpower and all that, so I think we Indians were a little spoiled.
I agree.
That's
I,
We're very
I agree with
We're
you.
very
I agree
spoiled
with you. I
because,
agree with you.
2
I
years
agree
back,
with
I
you.
was on a tour in UK. I was touring with a band from Delhi. So we had 5 shows, and out of the 5 shows, in the 4 shows, it was me and the band setting up. You're given a truck with the equipment and a driver. So please install it, do whatever you want to do. The show gets over, pack it, put in the van.
Okay.
And so there was no labor, there was nothing.
Hmm.
So I had to do
So
it.
sorry, where was this?
This was UK.
No wonder. Okay.
I
So
think.
I had to do it.
Hmm.
So I think we'll have to change our ways. And we've been used to, if you see a lot of gigs, we've been used to equipment which is a little overpowered at times.
Okay.
Yes.
Obviously, we cannot.
Your venue needs maybe 6 pairs of line arrays, but you'll see 12 pairs of line array for what?
Why is that? But why do like now? Why does that happen normally? Is it?
I mean, the way the industry has been functioning, I think more is less is another thing that
Or
we have to.
maybe everyone wants to play it safe that in case
They
you
want to,
need
but-
that much of headroom. So
So like the way we got system designing happening. So I think we'll have to design. I've got friends who are working with one of the biggest companies in Europe, in Germany, and they're like just 3 engineers with one big truck, and they do a big festival. They rig it up. Get it done.
Mahir, do you realize how easy it is for them to work in the venues they work in? I
No,
mean,
but see-
hamare yahan, just to
see-
get
see-
equipment inside a venue.
See, earlier things were different. You have to understand that. Even like for example, you go to Kamani and you get a mixer on rent from outside. They won't allow it.
They don't.
They don't unless you pay the babu. They'll allow it. But now things are changing. Things are evolving. So I think we all will have to embrace it and change it.
very nice, very interesting. This thing.
This is what I generally feel. And
We cannot be that kind of people like who can just pick and choose whatever we want to do. Like previously, the type of tech writers which we used to receive from the artists, the types of things they want, and the ediment things they are like at on. So that is gonna obviously change. See,
I'm really
industry-
looking forward.
yeah.
Go ahead.
So it is not necessary that a Yamaha can't perform well as compared to Digico, or a Digico can't perform well as compared to Avid or XYZ or something like that. See, a person should know that ठीक है, तुम 3 महीने से ना भाई सीख लिया होता ना अब तक, तो इतने में तो बाकी मिक्सर्स ब्रांड में नहीं, जो नहीं चलाने आते सीख लिए होते, like a smart engineer would have done that. So yeah, so this needs to be changed first of all. So it is you cannot pressurize a vendor at all कि भाई नहीं मेरे को वो तो वही particular वाला ही चाहिए. अगर ठीक है, there is something, if there's a you know a rehearsed show happening with lots and lots of snapshots and things like that and what's not, then we understand कि okay, that's the complete thing happening all together. But other way around, for a small gig like a छोटू 6 पीस का बैंड है, 5 पीस का बैंड है और उसके अंदर भी SD5 ही चाहिए, तो that is something which needs to be changed.
Really,
Like
are you saying that-
really.
I mean, I thought that the tech riders were only really enforced for the bigger things, but you're saying for
No,
the smaller
no,
things?
nothing like that. Nothing like that. I know a trio. I have a tech writer of a trio, which is like 13 pages like long. It's a book,
What?
complete book, and nothing is of like hospitality or वो सब नहीं है उसके अंदर. I won't say the name, obviously. It's
Yeah, yeah.
uh,
Have they mentioned like one mic on one page?
I don't know, like it was complete. उसने बस गाना नहीं लिखा था, ठीक है,
अच्छा।
एक राइटर के अंदर गाने के लिरिक्स नहीं लिखे थे, बाकी
सेट लिस्ट
सब
में
कुछ
लिख ही
लिखा हुआ
देता
था.
यार वो. Okay.
Very interesting, man. And
So I'm like really looking forward to seeing how the tech riders change for bands, because now obviously even the bands will realize कि हाँ यार अभी we don't have gigs right now, so we shouldn't be too demanding. And even the engineers.
पहले भी ट्रैक पे
I
गाते
think,
थे, अभी भी ट्रैक पे ही गाना है, जरूरी है क्या बाकी चीजें लगाना है.
Yeah, true.
Now is the time when people should shift to in-ears. It
Yeah.
makes life easier in terms of labor, as you're talking about.
Totally.
You know, it's less gear to
I
carry.
mean,
5 monitors, 6 monitors, amplifiers.
most of the bands have already shifted to in-ears. I
There are a
feel.
lot of bands they've not, you know.
A lot of people
You see,
haven't. These
they haven't.
Mayu's right, and
They haven't.
especially I
But
do
then,
a lot
like
of work
those,
with the Indian classical sector. यार Indian classical में उनको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है in-ears.
यार
उनको
वो
समझाना ही बहुत
आदत
मुश्किल
नहीं
है.
ना, उनको बहुत
हाँ.
मुश्किल होता है समझाना, मतलब like it's something very different, so
I have
that
some
will
strong
change
conviction
gradually by the
on AI
time.
now.
अच्छा
So they're all
चलो.
in-ears. They've started using in-ears in both the ears. So it's made life much more easier.
Mhm.
yeah, because I think you told me the monitor used to be
Yeah,
behind or
it's-
something.
because
If
it's-
Yep.
Right.
The way it's put,
अमान
it's
नयन जी
very-
के पीछे ही लगा
it's in a
था.
very tricky situation.
Right. So
You
you,
know, so the margin of feedback is like till here.
I think
way
you,
it's
you
put.
did some show that you had given some monitors. I think Celto only he had used, and I think that's what you're telling me. Interesting.
Mhm.
I guess, yeah, I guess everybody's looking at how we can. So I think what you guys are basically saying, if I just to filter efficiency, how we can do with lesser.
Oh, absolutely, that's one of the thing, and it's gonna save cost. Like you got a smaller footprint now, basically. So you since you don't have larger audience, so you don't need a larger system. Since you have a smaller audience, you need a smaller footprint system. But that doesn't mean that the smaller system should not sound good. So I think that should be like we should be talking about how to get a pocket rocket type of a thing. That should be
Pocket rocket, nice.
Yeah,
That's a nice-
obviously it's a pocket rocket thing.
Yeah, that's a good name. Yeah, because you're right. See, labor is going to be more difficult to get by. You're going to, but okay, how long do you guys firstly think this situation is going to be? I mean, in your individual,
See,
I
if you
think-
follow the- Yeah, Ayush, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
So if you all follow the news, if you see Bombay, Delhi, and if you see Delhi especially, I think is the biggest market for weddings in India.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Jaipur, Delhi,
Udaipur and
these
all.
are the biggest, wedding places where all the big weddings are happening. So now things are definitely going to change. I mean, they're already changing. People are doing weddings with 50 people. But to be honest with you, they're doing it now because they had to get married. But 6 months down the line, if the vaccine is not out, I think people will not do weddings like this. Call in expensive artists and only invite 50 people. It does not justify the cost.
but if people
In terms of
Those
I think-
won't be a regular thing. Absolutely, yeah.
no. So what I'm saying is that if you, because Mudib, you also been to those venues. Ayush has been
Yep.
to those venues.
Yep.
You've got Ritz, you've got ADOT and all that. They are huge venues. So I think in terms of like the way we design sound systems, we might end up designing halls which are compatible in terms of sound and even your your social distancing. where you can call more people and have a certain distance to maintain, because these halls are really humongous. So we'll have to adapt to a lot of new ideas,
So
new
you
techniques.
okay? If I
You know,
understand correctly, what you're trying to say is,
Yeah.
if you maintain social distancing in weddings,
Yeah.
the person gets a bigger place,
You get a
which means
bigger
you
place.
get more equipment in.
No, no.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ sir, मतलब
No,
I'm
see,
just trying to get it right.
see what I think is that backline needs to be as minimum as possible. To be honest with you. You know,
Okay.
we shift to in-ears,
Okay.
and and I think this change is going to come because I've seen a lot of people talking about this for into the broadcast market, that they need to come up. India needs to come up with venues which are not really just squarish or rectangle. You need to have more of 180-degree, 270-degree venues. But you can place the audience.
Okay.
That way you get more
But you need
audience.
more space. I mean,
You do need
you
more
need
space.
more
You
space.
have those venues. It's not like you don't have those venues. Some venues, like in Gurgaon, Chhatarpur, all those things can be done.
There's also the other point that the feasibility of running a large venue for 50 people, because you see when you
So,
talk about a
yeah.
venue, see the whole thing is that these venues and all, they operate on the fact that there are going to be so many people, and they charge based on that. Now, if tomorrow when you have only 50, firstly somebody has to see, yaar, is the figure going to be justifiable? The person doing it.
But if you see,
Yeah.
somebody who's calling 50 people,
Hmm.
but he's,
So
calling a big artist,
big artist.
it doesn't matter for him.
So that means it's going to be
So,
right.
yeah. So that ways we can have a venue which is designed in that way.
Okay.
Instead of 50, we can have 150 people.
Absolutely.
Something which I mean, before you before Yogesh, Ayush, you give your thing. What I have kind of seen is somehow distancing is not in our DNA,
Not
right?
at all.
And we need to kind of change that, because when we're trying to go, our first instinct is milna bhi hai to be, give a hug or whatever. It really doesn't happen like that in lot of
That's
Western
all muscle memory happening with us right now. So it's gonna change. Like obviously, if you wanna talk
It
it
is
about
changing already. It is
in a
already
longer.
changing.
Acha.
Yeah.
Nice.
So yeah, I mean, since the venues are going to become smaller and the number of people are going to get lesser, I think now is the time that the equipment is also going to get less, but people will start concentrating more on the quality, intelligibility of sound, clarity.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
I
so
really
I
hope so.
think,
I'm tired of listening to the shitty Indian made and Chinese made boxes in the
yeah, I
country.
mean, and also, I mean, I'm fed up with using just line arrays in all sorts of venues. It's not a practical solution in all kind of
Absolutely not.
venues,
Absolutely.
right? We have trap boxes like the acoustics of what arcs. For
Arcs are there.
wider
Yeah.
venues, why don't we use arcs? Why do we always have to have something like a Kara or a K2? So I think the event guys are also going to understand now, because जगह नहीं होगी उनके पास इतने बड़े setups करने के लिए. They'll start asking for smaller solutions, and hence I think we should be able to achieve better quality also in smaller venues.
Till the day we have people putting single VRX 932 LAs on stands, I think we won't solve that problem. We have to first make them understand that is a damn speaker which cannot be put on a stand,
Yes.
and change the way. Trust me, it's not going to be easy, क्योंकि लोगों को नहीं समझ आ रहा है.
I mean, but it has to start
I
somewhere. Like us as engineers, we need to start enforcing it, right? We need to
absolutely.
educate. We need to educate people. We need to tell them you don't require this bigger system. We can work with the smaller system with better efficiency, better intelligibility, better coverage.
I think what people need to understand is what you can use that speaker for.
Yeah, yeah.
If it's been designed for a specific purpose, you can't just buy a speaker and say मैं इसका monitor भी बना दूंगा, इसको PA में भी लगा दूंगा, इसको मैं side fill भी बना दूंगा, things like that.
यार उस सब चीजों से पहले है ना, मेरे हिसाब से तो जो इंजीनियर्स वगैरह हैं, like the mass engineers, they should like hear the first proper music first of all right? They need to hear good music, and they need to
True.
get the proper sense of music
I
first of all.
agree with you.
Very good. I mean,
Then they can understand like how much, like everything is not loudness. Like loud मतलब बड़ा है तो बेहतर है, वो अलग होती है बात यार. Like this is not the way. So A smaller
You mean
system
the
can
वो लाल बत्ती वाले इंजीनियर जो होते हैं ना हमारी
Exactly.
हम नाम नहीं लेना किसी का
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
किसी का भी नहीं
नहीं
लेना भी नहीं
No,
है
no, here, I completely. This is so true, man. That this, yeah,
So,
I think.
see, the loudness is not the problem. The problem is you should know how your mix should sound,
Yeah,
basically.
yeah.
So for that, you need to listen to some good music. And if you don't listen to proper music, if you don't listen to the
I mean,
various
that's
kind of
I
music,
agree with what you're saying. You should know how your mix should sound, but you need to have a good band also
huh?
for that.
Obviously,
The
like
band is really crappy.
like
then
it's
you
like,
will
obviously
lose
it's
it.
hand in hand. A bad artist will sound bad. A good artist will sound good. Yeah, I'm not saying that all artists are bad. Like it's just how they
I
perform.
mean, even a bad artist can sound a little better if
Yeah.
the engineer knows what he's up to.
Exactly.
I think we'll
तो
have
ये
to work with
भरत
bands
ये तो
now.
भरत मिलन के साथ में ही
It's
काम होता है
more
मतलब
like
like
getting their sound.
Bilkul, I think like for us as engineers, it's also a responsibility to educate our artists as well, right? We need to tell them what kind of equipment to use because they will see something at a particular show, they will ask for it, but it's your duty to tell them that it's actually required or not for your purpose,
correct.
right? So we really need to do that, I think.
So how does it work currently?
Currently तो
Was-
anything works. ठीक है ना नहीं currently तो anything works. मतलब आवाज आ रही है तो वो वाला है समझ में नहीं आता लोगों का सीखने
I mean, there are engineers. I mean, Budit also knows. Ayush also knows it.
Yeah.
I mean, like for example, I'm talking about myself. When I go for a gig, I carry everything with me, which are all the mics. I don't rely on anybody.
As you can, but
No,
carry
it's-
all the
it's-
you
a
carry
lot
all
of
the
people
mics.
do that,
Like,
which
I
is a
know
very
people
good
do
thing.
that. So he was saying he does that, but tell me, you can only do it. Okay, you can do it if you are with for a specific,
Specific artists.
artist who you know and
Or
who,
when
yeah.
like I've done certain festivals, Mudit also knows that.
Yep.
Jazz Fest or the
World Music Fest and all that.
For my stage, I used to carry each and every mic.
Okay.
At least I know what I have.
Like me, Sameer, Humayu has also been there, Vanshaj and Ayush. Ayush hasn't been there. So we do this World Music Festival in Udaipur. So there are multiple stages and multiple artists coming out from all over the world, like big artists. And
Okay.
we carry the whole gear like ourselves. Like Humayu brings all his gear, whatever he has. Sameer brings his gear. I take all the gear we have in our company to the venue, like whatever mic. So we just like experiment also. We try to get the best of the best things out of it.
All the gear in the company में कितने trucks जाते हैं? I take all the gear in our company.
नहीं, it's a
ये
big festival.
नहीं, it's
ना,
a big
this is
festival
personal
first of all,
experience.
and तब है ना वो क्या बोलते हैं वो सीनियरिटी इफेक्ट आ जाता है कि बोले करना है तो फिर करना है तो जाना है तो जाना है
Then
इज्जत की बात
everybody
है
else in audio design is crying because
सारा
Mudit has taken everything.
All the equipment is gone to Udaipur at that time.
that happens. Yogesh Bhaiya knows about it because all the workload
नहीं,
comes on
जब
his
जोधपुर होता है मैं भी यही करता हूँ. So I know very well. Anyways,
Guys, what is going to happen to the festivals? Because I think that was something which was really
Then
a
coming,
growing-
yeah. So, and in continuation of that topic, so coming to the festival, so everything since is gonna be coming back to online, this platform, OTT platform, and this things like that. So now the engineers need to actually show their skills because these small tiny speakers of the laptops, of those
Yeah.
speakers and everything, na. So उसके अंदर से आवाज अच्छा निकालना है ना बाबा. So like the mix should sound good there, like in the regular
Needs to be a
headphones.
broadcast quality mix.
Broadcast quality, you need to fine tune that now. So the engineer should start thinking about that and how to bring that as a next big thing. According to
अभी
me.
सबका
Like, that
पता
should
चल
be big.
जाएगा कौन कितना पानी में.
Exactly, सब पता
But
लग
I
जाएगा
think
सबका.
Ayush, you provided some equipment to Vikram Mishra for
So
All
Vikram
India
Mishra,
yeah.
yeah. So that studio is actually owned by me and one of my friends Manu Saxena. So we have opened up that place, and Vikram is also part of the thing with us. He's handling the entire video production there. So yeah, that was actually my first experience of a broadcast mix.
So why don't
Everything
you
was
share
live.
some technical, things that you've learned from that broadcast mix.
I mean, to be very, very honest, I was very, very scared before that particular show because I've never ever done a broadcast mix before this. So, I mean, I took a good like 45, 50 minutes sound check and I tried my best to mix everything on the headphones. I did not use any monitors, any wedges, no PA system. The artists were on in-ears completely and everything was just being broadcasted. So yeah, I mean, if you can make your headphones sound good, and in-ears, then I think it'll sound good even on a smaller cell phone
yes.
speaker.
Absolutely.
They also
So
have to
yeah, I
remember
mean,
that
I
when
thought it
doing
would be like
broadcast,
very, very challenging, but it was okay. It was a
In
good
terms
experience.
of, I think when you're mixing on headphones, I've noticed that, the only thing that, goes a little bit up and down is your low end.
Yeah,
That can vary.
Yeah, so I
That's
feel
very
you need to know your headphones very well, and you need to have a reference track. If you have a reference track, then I think it can be worked out.
man. So now
Yeah.
that means the little speaker in this is going to be calling the shots, huh?
absolutely.
Yes,
आपके
absolutely.
गाड़ी का स्पीकर, आपका सेल फोन का स्पीकर, आपके घर के टीवी का स्पीकर, your home audio system, home theater system, that is gonna be the thing where things are gonna be happening. आज मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ, आयुष घर पे बैठा हुआ है, and आप लोग वहाँ पर हो, and we are still talking, and there's no lag, there's no nothing, like we are like actually sitting in front of each other right now. So ऐसा ही होगा अब आगे. मेरे हिसाब
Initially
से
it
तो.
seemed a little weird. We as humans take a little time to adapt to anything. But yeah, when we started all the Zoom show, it was a little weird. But
Yep.
now it's seeming like normal, And I think the longer we have to do this, it'll start seeming more and more normal.
Yep. You remember like 30 years back, 25 years back, there used to be like that dialing wala phone.
Yeah,
And when you call long distance, like you have to literally shout, "Arey, आवाज आ रही है क्या?" Hello. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
then the technology got refined and things like that, and people were adapted to like wait and listen and then speak and things like that. So human का muscle memory भी change होगा धीरे-धीरे, सब
Yeah.
होगा. करना तो पड़ेगा ही कुछ ना कुछ.
Yeah, absolutely. Little
I think
virus.
it's changing for the good already. I mean, I think people are coping up pretty well. They've started having fun on Zoom chats also.
Yeah.
The entertainment has started, so things will become better. We're already coping up with it, I think.
Yeah, we have to. When you have no other option, and I think that's what there is going to be some level of collateral damage, which always happens. But
Yeah.
But it's not like that ki the existing equipment and the existing system and everything what we have is gonna go obsolete or things like that. No, that is not gonna happen. That is gonna be there, but just the frequency of using them is gonna, come down. Because people are gonna be scared, obviously. Like no matter how much we say कि सब घूम रहे, वो दो सब साथ मिलके घूम रहे, जहाँ पे एक साथ 100 जने इकट्ठे हो गए तो सब लोग डरेंगे कि that this can be dangerous and things like that.
Absolutely.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So
And now people will actually
Yeah.
start realizing matlab, like it's not so easy to get big equipment, good equipment. They'll start, how do I put this? I'm not finding the word. You guys continue. I will बताता हूँ मैं. I have a thought in my mind. I'll just say it.
मुझे भी यही लग रहा है, मतलब we're going to start off small. I think broadcast will be the first thing for any kind of festival. In fact, this is an idea I also put up to one of our organizers who's organizing a festival, that we should do this. That is the first step of getting everything to broadcast, and people can sit wherever in the world they want to, pay for it, and then enjoy the music. Of course, वो जो effect था कि हम आपको live music दे रहे हैं, वो खत्म हो रहा है, which is an experience. You go to a venue, you enjoy the venue, you enjoy the ambience, and then you enjoy the music. उसमें मजा अलग है. वो शायद अभी हम ना दे पाए लोगों को.
बड़े लेवल पे नहीं, not on a larger scale, but yeah, definitely we can try on a smaller scale. Definitely the things can be there, like 50 जनों का जो whatever government is saying that 50 people can go attend a marriage and attend a function.
I think it's going to then next step will be smaller systems, good quality systems like the DNB's acoustics and the Celto acoustics.
Yes.
ISO race.
Yeah.
I've been eagerly waiting for the ISO rays. मैं एक साल से सुन रहा हूँ कि आने वाला
आ गया
अभी तक नहीं आया.
आने पीछे पड़ा ये रहा.
आ गया.
लगा हुआ था, अच्छा लगा.
But is this the demo version or it's the actual product?
No, we've got the actual product and everything. We've
So
got.
you have it in office right now?
Yes.
The last time I came to your office, you didn't have it.
No,
then.
we didn't have the horn because the horns were this thing. We've got now full production pieces and everything. We've got it.
Okay.
The thing is, we can't play it. I mean, by the time it came, so did COVID.
So everything kind of has been.
So I think now these kind of small systems will find a place in the market. It
That's
should.
I'm sure they will now. I'm
That's
sure
what-
they
that's
will.
what.
When lots and lots of work has gone into this baby. Lots of work. We are going to have a very special session on Friday where Alan, the Mr. APG, who's going to talk about this. I mean, there was some of this technology he had worked on. He's the other French. He's the CTO of the company, and
Okay.
he's the one who had done work on the isotope. The isotope is basically what is
The waveguide.
it was the where the waveguide got developed from. It was the work which he had done many years back onto that when he was the founder of APG, the company APG, the French company, and now he's of course with Cerelto. So he shares with us some of those things which he's kind of done, and yeah, we are also kind of you guys are all talking about small systems, and that's what one of the USPs of this is compactness, and yet giving out that output and stuff. Of course, we didn't know the scenario would be like this, or for that matter, even the tiny little CMP which we have at the back. You've heard that, Ayush? I think when you came here
Yes,
before the
sounds
lockdown.
brilliant. Sounds really good.
Yeah. So basically, what we're talking about is efficiency, I guess. What you guys are all saying that we will now have to move towards
More efficient,
I think
compact systems.
in everything, in every way, whether it's ourselves, whether it's how do you guys feel that share, because you guys are mixing engineers primarily, right? All of you. So how do you think that is going to change, or if it's going to change? Do you guys?
No, as we discussed, Piche, if you're going to mix for broadcast, unless you have knowledge of television, you can't do broadcast mixing.
No, that is not true. That is not true. Like,
No, I firmly believe it is true.
why?
Why not?
Why? Give me a reason.
Because I've done both.
That is fine. I think almost every one of us has done both.
Let's hear you first.
So no, it's not like that. It's just a matter of adaptation. See, it's the same thing. It's almost the same thing. It's getting a little bit compacted. All right. All you need to pressurize your sensibility on is how to make it sound nicer. Okay. That is the only
sure
challenge.
of what
That is
you're
the only
saying. I'll
challenge.
tell you why. I'll give you my reason also.
What?
The speaker in this phone or in a television is never the same as a Pro Audio speaker.
Obviously not.
So it can't produce the same frequencies. A. B. When you're doing broadcast, you have to maintain a certain minimum and maximum level. That play between minimum and maximum in broadcast is very less. Wherein in live sound, you can really play around with the levels. Here you can't.
The dynamic you're talking
If it goes too
The
low,
dynamics needs to be taken.
it's not good for broadcast. If it goes too high, it's not good for broadcast. So these are some of the. I've only mentioned 2 challenges till now. और भी चीजें आती हैं इसमें, but I don't want to disclose those because I've learned them over time.
Let's talk about
secrets. These are secrets.
Let's talk about them.
Trade secrets.
So we are here on this platform to impart knowledge. So chalo, let's discuss about that.
No, private session we do that. Not over here on Facebook.
But star engineer session.
Exactly. बोले सारे पत्ते नहीं बोलूँगा.
But I think a lot of these things have to be kept in mind before you do something like broadcast.
Okay.
So for engineers like me or who had never done broadcast before, it is difficult because then complications. See, monitors में क्या है आपके पास? You have 4 piece band, you have 4 monitors, you're done. The minute you have 4 in-ears, this guy can't hear me and I can't hear him. You know what in-ear monitors is like. It gets more complicated. It doesn't become easy for the engineer. It actually becomes more complicated for him. If I have never worked with a band and if I have a 4-piece band, I suddenly have to mix them. मेरे को time लगेगा. Whatever said and done with in-ears. Not every engineer can do it, is all I'm saying. So they'll take time to understand all these small things. It took me time also, of course, to understand how it's done. When you're working on
to overcome all these kind of things, that's why immersive audio is coming into the market. If you know about things called like Klang, immersive audio, and all those kind of things. So those things are there to get rid of all that problem only. You
totally
don't
agree.
You don't feel like you lost.
Klang will work very well if you're traveling with a band and you have the same equipment or you have the same kind of equipment everywhere.
Doesn't matter. No. वो उसके लिए क्लैंक के लिए सेम इक्विपमेंट नो, यू डोंट नीड, यू जस्ट नीड अ क्लैंक का एक जैसे वेव्स का एक सर्वर होता है, ऐसे ही क्लैंक का एक सर्वर होता है, यू कैन
ठीक
जस्ट
है, I'm
लगा लो
saying
उसमें.
you don't I'm saying when you travel with a band, if you don't travel with a band, you're mixing for a new band. How fast do you think you can work on
No,
clank?
that way it cannot. If there should be a rehearsal done before.
That was my only point.
Yeah.
That was my only point. I'm not saying the technology is bad at all.
Absolutely.
I heard it myself. I think it's beautiful. The way you get
That sounds
360 degree sound
brilliant.
around your head is beautiful. No doubt about it. But
And
time
I think
कितना
it'll
मिलता
work.
है?
It'll work very well in virtual
You have to
events.
get more time.
I hope
Because-
so.
Because your bands are going to get a little smaller, they'll get squeezed, and you will get time. I think now, since you're doing broadcast, you can do a rehearsal, and I think you can, do
It's
things.
all
with-
dependent on like how open are you to experiment and things like that. So it's just that. Because
Also,
things
if
are
you're
there
getting
how
a
to get it.
space, if you're doing 3-day festivals, I mean, I don't know how much longer
No,
you'll get.
see,
Festivals can't happen on
Yogesh,
that
bhaiya,
kind
your
of system.
festival is completely different from what we are talking about. See, festivals is like come and go. The artists which are ethnic in culture and things like that, and those kind of artists, it would be very, 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 very difficult on a larger scale to explain these kind of things to them. It's not about that. Things will reach there also, but after a certain time, not ekdam se. But yeah, like the people who know about this and can actually work on this, they should start doing it, because this is the only new thing which is there available right now as I know, as of me, as of my knowledge, as per my knowledge. So that is the thing. And yeah, why not करना तो पड़ेगा कुछ ना कुछ. It's an entertainment industry. If we ourselves are not entertained by the technology, then what's the use of doing this job? So we should be passionate about the technology and things like that, and how it's gonna
And then,
definitely.
and I think things will change in terms of monitoring also, because if you see a lot of international shows which have happened in specifically in, I would say, about Delhi, the band doesn't come for sound check.
Yeah.
International shows.
Yes, the bands don't
Yep.
come
Really?
for sound check.
Yeah, most of them
There's-
don't come for sound
There's
check.
no, duck, cake, okay, snare, tom, this, that doesn't
Acha.
happen.
Okay.
Their drum tech will come, the guitar tech will come, they'll do their job,
Mm.
and your mix is just ready.
Oh, so
They
they send
they mainly depend on virtual sound checks.
Oh.
And like I think you were there. Who was there for Alt J?
I was there.
I was
You were
there as
right?
well.
You remember when I came
Yeah.
for the Digico thing?
Yeah.
Their engineer was using a profile on FOH and SDN on the monitors. They did
SD8. It
virtual
was
sound-
SD8.
complete virtual sound check.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
that technology has been there for quite some time. I don't think we've been using it
We're not
to
even using it.
to its ability.
I saw Metallica live in Korea.
Okay.
So I was there for the setup also, luckily.
Mhm.
And Big Mick was there, and his show is already mixed.
Okay.
He came and he just played pink noise on the left hand side, right hand side, center, subs, done. He's heard it.
See,
He's
if
happy.
the system is sounding the way it is supposed to sound, then the mix will definitely be sounding that way. And once
And
your
he
patching
just-
and your line and everything is done correctly, then why not? So wo chalega hi chalega. Because see, these kind of bands and these kind of artists, they have a particular set of their own mics and everything. They don't rely actually on the rental company to provide all the mics. So they
Even
use
the
their
instruments.
even the
the drum
instruments
kits and
itself.
all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So recently, like last year in fact only, so we did we provided certain equipment for Brian Adams. So I was there in the venue, and when the setup was happening and during the show itself. So the way they work, I saw, is they have their different tech team during the setup, they have different tech team during the rehearsal, and they have a different tech team altogether during the show. Because so I saw 3 different mixing engineers throughout, from the sound check till the end of the show, doing different kind of jobs. So one guy came, his job was just to check the lines, if the lines are proper, if the gains are coming proper in the line, if the impedance and the cables which they are been using is proper or not, and those kind of small things. So everybody had their own job. There was a guy who was just doing the system tuning according to the taste of the engineer and things like that. So for the bigger bands, yeah, absolutely, there are. It's a team effort. It's a whole job. A single person obviously cannot
Like,
just go and do
I'll
the
tell
setup
you
also and do the show also.
about this festival which happens in Germany. It's a very big festival called the Wacken Open Air. So you've got, I think, 20 bands in a day happening, and there are no sound checks. So most of the engineers, they come with their own desk.
Oh, so they come with
They'll
a
come with a desk.
Oh,
They just do a line check and you show them.
oh.
You know?
But
That's a different game altogether.
sorry for my, I mean, because I'm not a sound engineer, but don't you have to mix also based on the venue and the way the position, like everything matters, the right from the positioning of the monitor to, with respect to the mic and
They'll
everything.
already have a monitor engine.
Okay, so he'll make sure it's set up that way.
It's set up that way. So,
Okay.
so entire stage is
So
taken
because-
care by the monitor engine.
They have like stage A and stage B, right?
Okay.
So there is a band playing on stage A, and that time there is a setup happening on stage B. Stage A finishes, stage B starts. So that's how there is no lag in between two bands.
Okay, so that's very interesting. So,
Or you
yeah,
have
most of
multiple
the-
setups done on the stage.
We as Indian engine, I think we're a little privileged. We get a lot of time.
okay.
You know,
Yeah,
a
we
lot
are
of-
very, very privileged. And the kind of equipment we guys get for our shows, I don't think most of the good international acts also get that kind of equipment. The kind of
Like,
equipment we get for a regular shadi show.
Yeah, there's no problem of getting equipment here in India. Everything and anything is available here in India. It's just
And at any cost.
at any cost. Like
Yeah,
people are the major fun part is that people are not educated enough to know about their equipment itself. First of all, like I have seen many people who don't know about like what kind of things their equipment can do, and for them it's just a normal piece of hardware. So that's very astonishing. Like when I was like, you have this equipment and you don't know what it does. नहीं, ये तो ऐसा ही है. तो ऐसे नहीं होता है. You should know what you are doing. See, I know everybody is here to earn money. Business is good. Business is in the end will provide you bread and butter and a roof to live below and things like that and whatnot, like what your daily necessities provide. But whatever you do, you should have passion for it. If you don't have a passion for what you are doing for your job, then how you think you will succeed in it? And you will always be cribbing about something or the other.
Absolutely. I think I just want to say this is the one thing which when we started doing this, honestly, we didn't have an idea. We didn't know where this could go. This is the thing when we did Tech Talk and Celto Live. The idea was because we have all this time. Let's just do these things. Let's see where it goes, and it developed into a Tech Talk, into a Celto Live. The one common thing which everybody has said is that art industry is passion driven, and I think what's going to probably happen that the non-passion is going to filter out. Probably the ones who will probably stick are the ones who did it for passion, who did it because, and then there was a lot of people who did it for whatever other reasons, which are best.
See, it might sound a little bit rude, but it is not wrong. You're not saying that you cannot do or you are not supposed to do. You can do it. You are, but just work upon it.
Of course, that goes without saying. Everybody can do it for whatever reason, but I think what's going to happen is that's probably where the staying will see. Somebody else will say, okay, if he's not passionate, he can think of 10 other things. I mean, how many people I know who have contacted me if you want to sell masks and sanitizers and machines, so those sanitization machines and all, and I'm like, for me, even that thought is kind of where we still. I mean, I know right now we know that right now nobody can really think of buying an ISO-ray. But why not? This is the best time to actually talk about it, if nothing else. Or talk about. I mean, the idea is not just to talk about it. The idea is to talk about so many other things, which are going on right now, and which can. But Ayush, very nice that you've started this virtual studio. That's really interesting. And,
Yeah, I mean, I had to look for an alternate because my business is shut right now, right? We have to run our families. Everyone has to. True. I mean, I wanted to do something in this field only, right? So this was the next best possible thing I could think of. And it is going to be a game changer, I feel.
Yeah, definitely. See, it was already there in existence. It was just that people didn't want to, talk about it much and
really explore it.
Explore it, exactly. But now since they have got a chance, so absolutely it's gonna pick up. And so easy यार, मतलब it's so comfortable. Like तुम अपने comfort zone से बाहर ही निकलने को नहीं मिलता है इसके अंदर का venue पे जाओ, गर्मी धूप पसीने में, बारिश भी हो रही है, सब कुछ हो रहा है, But here at least you can like sit and relax in AC and get the similar kind of job done actually.
Yeah.
हम इसको बोलते हैं ऑफिस में जो आता है उसको ठंडी हवा और गर्म खाने की आदत पड़ जाती है.
I mean, I was always of the opinion that studio work is very boring, but I
Hmm.
think it's changing now. I feel it's not very boring now because there are a lot of challenges in a studio also, and like dealing with it becomes very interesting also. So, हाँ मतलब सही है. I'm really having fun right now working in the studio.
So you go to Chhatarpur whenever need be, basically. Is
Yes,
that-
I do. Like thrice a week, though I go there.
You know, talking on flat, I mean, we are all saying that there were so many features, like you were saying about even regard to this mixing in terms of, you know, before you, without a sound check. A simple thing like Facebook Live, it's not something new. It's been there since when? But I mean, really, honestly speaking, I didn't know about Facebook Live, or maybe it was there. I never looked at it also, you know, never even bothered to look at it. Today, how many people are going Facebook Live or doing, you know, collaborative this thing on Instagram? It's incredible. And I must say that a lot of these software companies, especially Facebook, which is, you know, they've done a lot of good work. I mean, the kind of broadcast, if you get it right with your equipment at the back end, you can do a very good quality broadcast.
Absolutely.
Yes,
You know,
true.
can I just take some of the maybe comments and I just read some of the comments out?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. And
and you
I'm wondering like nobody asked any questions or things like that.
पता नहीं यार maybe सब वही सोचते हैं कि एक second, why am I not getting the comments now?
It's like people are finding us boring.
नहीं just a sec.
The thing is, there's so many webinars have happened, so many of these kind of like Zoom
Yeah.
talks have happened. People have become saturated now.
Yeah.
No. So Moshe says welcome all. Moshe said you guys do this on your
Yeah,
own. You all know Moshe.
Yeah,
So he was
where's
supposed
Moshe?
to
Like
be-
I thought that he's gonna be joining us.
Actually, let me
Yeah, I
be
was also
honest.
thinking
So
where Moshe
actually,
is.
we were going to have a fourth screen, which was you. And then earlier we thought of 6 screens, but then Yogesh said that I asked him. I said, "Why don't you come over only?" So we thought of the 4 screens, 6 screens, and Moshe said, "Okay, I'll sit this one out." So Moshe, he's saying hi to you all. एक second,
Hi.
हाँ. Then welcome all. Rajinder Giri is saying hello to Mudit, I
Mudit.
guess.
नमस्ते लाला जी कैसे हैं आप?
And to all the Moshe is asking a question. To all the engineers, how much of your profession is an art versus being a science? Wow.
It's a mix of both. It's a mix of both.
Moshe, it's hard to say. Honestly, in some situations, it's art more and science less.
Okay,
I
so I
think- I
feel
don't think you can say.
during setup it's science, and while mixing it's an art.
Absolutely.
That's a
absolutely
very good
correct.
one.
Nice.
Absolutely
That's a very
correct.
good one.
Absolutely correct.
Are you sure?
Because
Looking
they-
like an artist also now. Trust
Yeah,
me.
look at my hair, no?
Yes,
I haven't had
sure,
a
But he's an artist.
I haven't had a haircut
I
in the
know,
last
right,
3
I know
months.
that. Yes, he's done some vocal
Yeah.
also and stuff.
हाँ,
Yes.
मतलब I used to sing, I used to have a band and all. So that's how I got into this profession actually.
Nice.
It's okay. Shit happens to everyone. That's fine.
That's a very good way of putting it. So Moshe, I hope you got that answer. Prabjeet is saying, Mudit sir, nice to see you. Great fan
Sonu
of
Khanna
yours.
ji.
And he's saying admire your style of working. And
you
he's
so much.
waiting for his headphones.
Let him wait. Let him wait. First of all, to take his headphones, he need to meet me. So whenever he's gonna be meeting me next, definitely.
Okay. Welcome, Piyush. Thank you. Yes, so Moshe is also saying, Yael said, I use compact, lightweight, but quality products will be the way of the future henceforth. Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
so. I mean, good.
Because
so,
as we discussed that label is going to become a problem, we probably might have to start picking up equipment on our own, probably carry it in our cars also. So yes, compact systems is the way ahead.
whenever these products used to come and Athar or Nico would talk about lightweight compactness, in my mind I would be like, यार हमारे यहाँ पे कोई उठाता नहीं है, तू छोड़, ये मतलब ही नहीं हमारे लिए
No, no, not true. No, I do not agree with that because there are so many times that I have set up the complete venue myself with just one boy with me.
Okay,
I mean,
really?
when I started
Yeah, yeah.
off, when I
I
started
think
off,
we
I
have
used
all
to
have
do
done
like
that.
I used to do club gigs with just me and one of my boys with me. Two of us, we used to carry the entire equipment and we used to set up a full band setup in less than 25 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
And we
when you
used to do
started
that on a
relying,
regular basis.
and when you started
Club
relying
gigs.
on
Yes,
crew,
club gigs.
how did it change?
Sorry?
When you started relying on crew,
Hmm.
did it get
So
did it get
obviously, when
better?
the number of when the number of gigs started increasing, then I could not obviously do everything on my own. Then we had to hire people. But still, even today, we try to rely on like minimum labor.
I think that's
We
probably
we
going to
don't
become
have
a
too many
new.
boys in house. We don't have too many boys in house. We have like including me, there are three engineers in the company, including me. So me and two other engineers. So wherever they go, they get two guys with them. And matlab, if there is heavy equipment like arrays and all, then obviously we need to give them extra guys to rig it up. But yeah, it's very like we don't give them too many people to work with because that's how I learned it. So I mean,
Exactly.
I
And
like it that way.
like till this date, like whenever I was working like in a show, obviously. Uh, so like we always make sure like Humayun knows Bubble, Yogesh, everyone knows. So we are there at the venue during the setup. It's not like that key we go after the setup is being done or things like that. No, no, no. We are there. Once the equipment is being unloaded, after that we unpack the equipment. I personally make sure that I am there when the array is being flown, and either I will be operating the chain hoist or the motor, or I'll be using the angle, the splay angle pins and things like that, and we just be checking that everything is being done properly or not, or patching the cables into the amp, checking the patching of the amp, the power, and things like that. It takes not more than 2 or 3 hours. Let me tell you very, very frankly, it takes not more than 2 or 3 hours if you are doing things properly. And once it has all been done, and once it has all been touched by your hands, you feel so much relaxed, and you can just sit back and get your concentration done on the show which is happening, how it is sounding and things like that. Then you don't have to worry कि अरे यार वो मेरी patching की वो cable वगैरह तो गड़बड़ नहीं होगी, or I think my speaker, the sixth speaker is not working properly, or the third speaker is not working properly. Because when it was in setting up, you check it yourself, you see if there's a problem which has been occurring. See, it is not like that कि एक बंदा एक ही सिस्टम को यूज करता रहता है, बहुत सारे अलग लोग भी यूज करते हैं.
True.
तो
True.
वो ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, हैंडलिंग, पैकिंग, लोडिंग, अनलोडिंग, these kind of things, so obviously वो तो हैम्पर तो होता ही है चीजों से. So this is very, very important. You should be involved to be a good engineer, operator, or XYZ whatsoever. Like, you should have a feel of your equipment first of all. You cannot be in the driver's seat just from the beginning. You need to do things from the ground up. टायर बदलना आना चाहिए गाड़ी का, तभी गाड़ी चलानी सीखनी चाहिए.
True.
मेरा
True.
मेरा तो ये हिसाब है, मेरे हिसाब
Very
से.
good. Very well
And
said.
this is what I teach the young guys who join and who come to me for training and things like that. There are few guys who have been trained under me, and so I tell them and teach them the same way. So you don't have to do the thing like पहली बार में ही सही तरीके से कर लो, ताकि तुम्हें
True.
बाद में जा जाके परेशान ना होना पड़े.
I
Because
agree with you
there's
completely.
so many wires. It's not only sound. There's light department. There's visual department. There's so many department. There's confetti वाला, और ये भी हो रहा है और वो भी हो रहा है और पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा है, और सारी चीजें एक जगह से जा रही है. कैसे 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 आप ढूंढोगे सामान को, और केबलों को जो प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, क्या आ रहा है क्या नहीं आ रहा. So it is very, very important that people should have a feel of their equipment, no matter what.
Yeah.
तभी चलाने में मजा है.
True.
क्यों योगेश
Then
sir?
you know the full potential of the system also,
Exactly.
your equipment.
Exactly.
Very true. Great.
और बताइए सर, योगेश जी, what
Yes.
else?
No Mercedes this time, sorry.
May not require.
Yogesh wants to.
When the petrol and diesel prices are 90 rupees per liter, sorry, not interested at all.
Jaipur is 90 petrol.
So what happened with me, like I think it was last week only, I went to the petrol station and I was like कि चलो मैं गाड़ी में पेट्रोल डलवाता हूँ. So I told him that भाई tank full करते हैं, ठीक है. So petrol and extra premium डालो because हम रईस हैं ज़्यादा. तो तो करवा लिया. So जो regular say like it costed me $1,500 more. So I was like dude your pump is not working properly or something is wrong because इतना सारा तो fuel मेरे vehicle के tank में आता ही नहीं है. बोले नहीं सर पैसे बढ़ गए. मैंने कितने बढ़ोगे? ₹1 ₹2 100 तो 90 rupees per liter. Yeah, seriously.
That's great. That's what I mean. Delhi is about 80, which is not that low, but it's still 90, 80 and
90 bucks per
Diesel.
liter.
Diesel is more expensive than petrol.
Yeah, diesel
Yeah.
is not for the first time, but this is really sad. The fact that when the crude is falling, I mean, really, that I mean, I'm not somebody to get into political discussions and things like that, but fine, you're not giving any other kind of rebate to anything. I mean, we have paid GSTs and everything
Everything.
we are doing. So ये नहीं है कि we don't have to, guide from any utility or anything, but at least, don't burden this thing with the taxes, and that is
I think
something
it will be
which
very bad for food suppliers, farmers who use
Farmers,
diesel trucks.
Everything, yeah,
Absolutely.
everything runs on diesel.
Everything
Food
is
prices will go up.
But Mudit, I mean, is Delhi? I know that diesel is now on par with
It's expensive than petrol.
with more expensive petrol, but your diesel would be cheaper there still, man, because it's only.
I'm not sure about diesel because I don't have a diesel car, so I'm not sure about it. But petrol, yeah, my experience was that with petrol, and probably hoga. Well, it's gonna be on the higher side from Delhi, because I think Delhi costs are cheaper as
The
compared
cheapest.
to other places.
But Delhi is the cheapest.
No, used to be, but
Cheapest?
now with Delhi
Achha.
government having.
It used to be the cheapest
Yeah,
till
used
about
to
a
be.
month back.
Not anymore. Diesel is now.
Okay.
The taxes on diesel have been raised in Delhi only, as far as I know.
Haha, that I know.
Not in in Noida, you would be paying still the old price for diesel.
Are they still charging 70% premium on liquor there in
नहीं
Delhi?
हुआ था
Not
are they?
anymore.
योगेश ने बहुत कंप्लेंट की योगेश ने कहा
They
नहीं
were
चलेगा
losing a lot of business.
अच्छा.
They lost a lot of business because of that.
yeah. But yeah, people stood in lines like crazy.
Yeah.
It was as if दारू नहीं कोई अमरस बट रहा है or something. We all saw it on the. It was crazy at that time. Everyone threw caution to the wind, and so it just shows what priorities are.
Weird people are weird. Seriously.
And that's us as a human race. I will not say people, I'll say us. I'm part of it. We all do some weird things at a lot of times. We do throw caution to the wind, and so I guess we all need to be more aware. I guess that's what we need to kind of bring about our increase our awareness and stuff. Maybe that's what this is kind of teach us. Of course, we'll all figure out some things which we all need to learn as a race, whether it's to appreciate what we have, whether it's to be kind to nature, or there's so many things. I think we are all going to be learning in our own way something or the other with this.
Yep.
To learn,
Yeah.
but great guys. So anything else we'd like to?
Anything like we are open for questions. Anything, any more discussion? Anything?
Yeah, general
Like
gupshup.
I today, like I found it like really relaxed and more happening because like we were like everybody was on their like own flow. Like सब लोग अपना मन से बात करने का I haven't noted down any other topic, but like even which we were discussing before. Honestly speaking, I didn't note down any other topic.
Yeah, we haven't stuck to the topic.
It's better to come spontaneous and things like that. I think
that's the whole idea.
Make more sense and things like that.
Yes, absolutely. We have not prepared anything. We have come out. Actually, everybody is kind of speaking their hearts. I mean, we are all friends. We all know each other. We've all interacted so much. All of us have a different relationship with each other and with as a group. So that's why kind of this panel discussion came into mind, and we said, let's we all know each other for ages, donkeys years, and I thought great to get you guys together, and I've been talking to each of you individually ever since we started doing this. I said this would be a good forum, getting all of you guys together, you know.
Yeah.
Because I don't think even in a festive, Kabhi, I don't think you would have been on a any kind of thing. Like you must have
So,
been.
except the palm show, I don't think we meet very
Palm shows,
often.
the whole industry is on the floor. Yeah.
I think that is the only place where everybody in the industry meets.
Yeah. But there also
Yeah,
everybody
true.
scattered. Yeah. Nobody's, you know.
हाँ.
Both of
Yeah, you've got your own gangs over there, you know. So you have to give priority to
Okay, that's a good this
you
thing.
know, someone has to run to this party, someone has to run to that
हाँ,
party.
वो तो I know.
All that chaos.
Planning the party is one of the
Yes.
biggest challenges because you have to first see the calendar किस की कब हो रही है, timing. Yeah, it's right.
Yeah.
No, I think now we'll have to work in a more systematic, pragmatic way. I think to see it.
No, no,
See
yeah.
how it evolves. I think September is the time when October
I think so.
we'll come to know what's exactly is going to happen.
Somewhere in September end or October mid, we will be able to like guess around ki what's going to happen next, like how long it's going to take, and will it be the same as before?
But I think
or
November onwards things are going to become normal.
let's
No, I
hope
mean,
so.
I don't agree on that. Sorry.
It all depends on that
all
vaccine, by the
I
way.
mean, you're on a magic pill.
It
or
won't
a
depend on the vaccine anymore now. Like because like how we Indians are, हम लोग बाज नहीं आते. मतलब अगर पार्टी करनी है तो करनी है. इतना
नहीं
टाइम
तो
कोई नहीं रुकने
पोलियो
वाला.
की दवाइयां दी थी भाई, तो इसकी भी दे देंगे दुनिया को, ऐसा क्या है?
हाँ और क्या?
Nee, but how do you feel November that things will get back? I mean, how do you?
Because I've been hearing from a lot of people that there are a lot of shadis happening in November and December. And most of our rental work is dependent
the
on
shadis will
shadis.
happen. The shadis will gonna go. The shadis will happen. The tent wala is gonna get his tent thing done. You know, decor wala decor करवा लेगा, सब कुछ करवा लेगा. Depending on like how are the artists gonna come and perform? Are there gonna be like simple track के ऊपर lady संगीत happening or things like that? An anchor speaking and just some interaction, those kind of shows. See, those kind of shows though will happen and will always happen. We are talking about the shows which actually matter. Some big fat wedding where 4 or 5 of different kinds of artists are coming on the same stage. You know, we have a different kind of like thousands and thousands of people are attending wedding. Like recently, before all this COVID thing, I did a wedding in Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. It was Jawaharlal Nehru.
Like that was E Factor, right?
Yeah, that was E Factor, and it was not just a single wedding. There were multiple weddings happening. Like things were there, and it was like humongous, and symphony band, various artists, multi-instrumental artists, and whatnot is happening, and things are like all there. So, are those kind of things, those kind of entertainment things gonna come back into existence, or
Not
are they gonna
soon.
be, or they're gonna be obsolete?
They won't be obsolete, but they're not coming back anytime soon. That's for sure. It's going to take time, but yes, they will come back.
I think to the industry to become normal and things like that, or people to get into the daily routine and things like that. Obviously, from September, October, November, things are going to start little by little. That's for sure. But maybe next year onwards, we're gonna see the true color or the true wingspan of how it is gonna be playing with our lives and with our industry and things like that.
How it would have changed us all, because it's definite. See, we are all going to be changed with this. There's going to be something different. So yeah, you're right. Probably that what change has happened and how it's going to reflect is going to show by next year. Next season or next, because
next financial year, we could put it that way, maybe.
Because
next season,
next financial year
season, yeah, same thing. Yeah.
Right. I think because vaccine though is earliest not expected before end of the year.
Not at all.
And
so it's gonna go into human trials. They are saying that they have developed it. Now it need to go into human trials. There are 7 stages of human trial and things like that. Then it's gonna be mass produced. Then it's gonna be distributed. Then it's gonna be executed and things like that.
Easily a year.
Easily a year. Yeah.
I was reading the other day that the world doesn't have that glass vial which you see. That glass is a specific type of glass. There is not so much of glass. You cannot just put it in any container or something. The world does not have. So think about it, yeah. If you have to vaccinate even half the world today, we are at a record in terms of numbers. Are how many? Almost 7.5 billion official, 8 billion unofficial. Even if you have to make 4 billion vials. So what they're saying is that rather than put 1 dose in a vial, they'll put 5 or 10 doses in a vial. because you don't have that many wires to make. I mean, it's not like there's one problem, you know.
Yeah.
It's
So once you
the
solve
level-
one problem, the other problem arises like
No,
from
and
on the corner.
I mean, honestly, the scenario reminds me exactly of those movies. We've all, you know, so many of those kind of movies,
Contagion and all
Contagion
that.
and all. And, you know, when
Contagion.
you were watching them, nobody would have ever thought in their life that something like this would really happen. It was always that it was, you know, a movie, but it's actually happened, you know.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah.
but I guess like
We
every,
weren't prepared
I mean,
for it.
when I see things now, I mean, I see shows, simple thing, okay, people meeting and shaking hands, and in the back of my mind, suddenly I think, यार ये कर कैसे रहे हैं? And it, you know, you're kind of being, now the distance, no shaking, all that stuff is happening, and you're just seeing the people meeting and shaking. I'm thinking, shit, man, this is not going to be possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. So many things aren't possible, because we took them all for granted, you know, we just took it as a way of life, and now that's not happening. Another thing, you know, talking about setups, that's a very interesting thing which you guys are saying. When it comes to mind, you will need lesser crew to set up, because you will not be able to carry so much crew now.
You need better crew
Yeah.
and more educated crew.
Exactly.
And now I think it's the time when you'll have, you know, rentals will have to pay a lot of attention to, you know, network systems. Because when you have less crew, you won't have someone who's running up and down the
Correct.
stage or to the amp rack to see what's happening.
Correct.
You know, I mean, these things were introduced long back, you know, when Harman started with HiQNet and Acoustics had their manager,
Network
Fire
manager.
had their own, you know, Galileos and all that stuff was happening. I think we never made use of them, to be honest with you, in India. But we had that, you know, even 10 years back, down the, you know, back.
We use what is convenient.
Yeah.
We don't necessarily use what is
No,
best.
it's not convenient.
It's just a
lazy.
learning.
What we
learning
use-
curve
People have
also.
been lazy. Let me tell you that. Let me tell
Yeah.
you from my own personal experience. People have been very, very lazy.
You know, if the FOH engineer is standing at the FOH, he'll just stand there. He's not going to go to the stage and, you know, maybe just if something is buzzing, he won't go to the stage and sort it out. अरे
Okay.
तुम करो माइक पे बोल दिया करो देखो क्या है, you know.
Yeah.
That's another, you know, just an example that I'm giving.
No, right.
So now we'll have to depend really on network systems and efficient crew. And you know, which is something that I always felt is that, you know, the north part of the industry has been a little backwards in India. Your south and Bombay has been ahead, and I'm not, you know, I don't want to, you know, put it in such a way that I'm putting Delhi back or anything, but you know, Delhi never had colleges, first of all, for audio. Bangalore had colleges, Pondicherry had, you know, Bombay had institutes, so they had a better exposure and a learning curve, which we did not have in Delhi. So I think in North needs to, you know, is a time when we should get into a lot of education right now in
We
North.
still don't have anything in Delhi. Yeah.
I'll tell you, I have. Okay, very interesting that you brought this up. So we have been into pro audio since 2002. Okay, pro audio. Before that, we were into audio manufacturing, home audio. He was actually our first client. We gave the EV system, first big system we ever gave was to them. Anyway, so we analyzed this, what you just said, and you know what we realized? The reason, you're absolutely right. The reason for that is that in the south, even a loader, he can at least read English. Okay, वो उसको अंग्रेजी पढ़नी आती है, तो वो इतना जानता है कि पीछे डब्बे, you know, what's written in the back of the box, that basic stuff also, or a model or something, he knows that, and that is where that change happens. He's able to understand. So now, tell me in North, how many guys were stuck? I'm not like, not that across the board or so or what, but a lot of times the boys are patchy, they're illiterate, yeah.
Yeah,
You know,
absolutely.
Yeah,
they're just
that's
doing
true.
it because that's how they've been told how to do it.
Yeah,
I mean, I'll
yeah.
tell you, till today, I so many people who are setting up equipment or using equipment or whatever, do not know when you put 2 8-ohm speakers on one channel, it becomes 4 ohms. यार, मैं थक गया 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 is equal to 1 by समझा, so वो थक गया मैं. But so that's where it comes from. That basic guy, because of education level is higher, he can read that itself. He lifts a box, he's able to read, and that's where it starts from. And Yeah, we don't have. We our way of teaching in North is उस्ताद ने जैसे बोला. So whatever उस्ताद ने सिखाया, भैया ये तो ऐसे ही चलेगा.
बस
दूसरा
exactly.
तरीका तो
Yeah,
So which
freedom
is,
to like experiment.
yeah. So I think this is the correct time. Like everybody is in reach of technology. Everybody is in reach of handheld devices with all the internet and everything possible, and high-speed internet, and whatever sites are being blocked still are being unblocked by, you know.
we all know what they're using those what sites.
So yeah, so
we'll
I
have a
think
session on that separately, where you will tell which sites how to access.
Yeah, so I think it's a good time right now. The people who are actually interested in making this as their living, and they are passionate about to learn about these kind of things. I think they should go ahead for it and they should learn, because अभी कुछ करने को नहीं है तो ये सीख लो, जब बाद में काम आएगा तो ये चीजें बहुत काम आएंगी, सिंपल सी बात है. So my suggestion to whomsoever is watching, should go ahead, should learn, should always keep on learning new things, and of course it's gonna build up your make you more efficient and build up your character and everything, man. So very, very important to always keep on learning.
Yeah. But the only problem is we don't have too many institutes here in Delhi
It's
to
not about
educate
the
people.
institute. No, yeah, it's not only about the institutes. See, suppose Ayush,
There's only so much you can learn on YouTube and
Listen.
internet, no?
Listen, na Baba, you have a team. Let's say you have a team of 10 guys, all right? Out
Yeah,
of those 10 guys, you know that 3 are okay, 3 would understand whatever you are saying, but the rest 7 are not able to. So you're also free, they are also free. Let's catch up and teach them. Why not?
Yeah.
तो अगर एक जना भी अगर 5 जनों को सिखा रहा है, एक जना
very
जिसको आता है वो अगर 5 जनों को सिखा रहा है, if somebody is teaching those 5, तो I won't say 100%, but at least somewhere around 70%, 75% they will घुस on their mind, ना.
Yeah.
तो वो करके फिर वो अगर आगे जाके 2 जनों को और सिखा दे तो why not? So this is how multi-level marketing करनी चाहिए education की.
No, this is very, very valid point. Why only rely on institutes? Institutes are doing whatever there are and stuff.
See, you have the equipment, you have the cables, you have the connectors, you have mixers,
Point.
speakers, each and everything. You have everything in front of you. They have everything in front of them. It's just कि हमारे पास में अब टाइम है. पहले हमारे पास में टाइम नहीं होता था, क्योंकि हम शोज में बिजी होते थे. कभी ये क्लाइंट, कभी वो क्लाइंट, कभी वहाँ मीटिंग, कभी रात को लेट आना, सुबह जल्दी जाना, सेटअप नहीं हो रहा, खराब हो गया, ठीक करवाना, XYZ. बट अभी तो ये सब कुछ भी नहीं है ना.
Right.
कर सकते हैं कुछ नहीं. एक कैमरा लगाना है, लोगों को दिखाना है, धीरे करके 5 बार एक ही बात को सिखाएंगे तो मेरे ख्याल से 6ठी बार तो आ ही जाएगा उनको.
Very true.
Humayun कह रहा है you should come back to Delhi.
Who, me? Yeah, I'm coming back next week. I'm coming back next week. Don't worry.
हाँ तो Mudit sir, when can we come for class?
Whenever.
That's a very good point. Yeah.
घर पे रखेंगे.
Done.
ठीक है.
Done.
गोडाउन पे या घर पे?
घर पे
रखेंगे.
अच्छा
घर पे हाँ.
भैया मैं समझ गया यार, तुम्हारी ट्रेनिंग क्या कौन सी है?
हाँ
बढ़िया.
घर पे.
Main jokes apart, मतलब like yeah, we cannot always blame our crew or others crew or manpower all the time, because we haven't done anything for them. We need to teach them on the job. उन लोगों ने जो देख के सीखा या जो हम लोगों ने स्पेसिफिकली सिखा दिया तो वो तो ठीक है, वो सब बात अलग है. बट स्पेसिफिकली हम लोगों ने किसको जाके we haven't taken up training and things like that. I am talking about myself. I'm talking about my organization. So those things were lacking, and I think that this is the correct time when we can concentrate on those parts. It can happen with anybody. It's not necessary कि हर जने का crew अच्छा हो, मतलब किसी का खराब हो सकता है, किसी का crew अच्छा हो सकता है.
No, but very rightly said and very absolutely right. Yeah. Why?
At least जो existence में equipment है, जो equipment वो daily use करते हैं, जो वो equipment उनके warehouse में है, जो brand उनके पास में already available है, at least उसके बारे में तो पूरा पता हो.
Yes.
बाकी सब तो बात की बात है.
Yeah.
Right.
Because it's about being optimizing everything. True.
Exactly.
I mean, simple thing like doing this. Okay. So today we are doing this session. Yogesh was here when we did the first tech. I don't know if it was Wednesday or what. Yogesh. Yeah, when we took the CMP. I think it's been over a month. Now from that then on, and that day we started with the laptop using the webcam on that, putting just one. Yogesh, I told him, a condenser mic layer. We just bought that. From then to now, look at our setup. Huh? You know, using this, the tripod, the lapels, everything. I mean, so yeah, we've also kind of evolved and learned. So
Full on
whatever is-
production
yeah.
happening.
8 years back, when I was like new to this industry, I didn't had that much of exposure. So there was this like one of the biggest gigs of my life. I was helping out Sam and JJ and everyone here. It was in Delhi. It was a DJ gig kind of thing. So there were somewhere around, I think 80, 82 subs in line. It was a huge gig, and there were some
Vertec.
around, yeah, so, yeah, Vertec. And there were 52 amps. So every amp had 2 channels, 12,000. Okay. So we were trying to make an arc of the subs. And since we didn't, we had the technology as Ayu said, Humayu said कि HiQNet था. हम लोगों ने HiQNet लगाना. Individually, I'm going into each and every amplifier and changing the delay time so that I can get a arc made properly. And I had to do that same thing 8 times because we were experimenting. So that made me understand what is the concept of delay timings in respect to subs. And that one day experience is like unforgettable for me. Now I can understand things like in a GIF ki अरे अच्छा वैसा हुआ था, because I had a reference that this was being done, and I was made sure कि I do it correctly. So I had to go do it and then come back, listen to it, and go and check it again if it has been done correctly or not. Then go with some other settings, then some other settings. But so वो जो एक चीज सीखने को मिला, मतलब उस टाइम पे तो बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा था कि why people are making me do this, why Sam is making me giving me different kind of timings, why can't he just do a simulation in one go and give me the final settings. No, but he made me understand. He see, are you able to grasp the difference, like what is happening. So वो एक चीज मेरे को जो सिखाई गई किसी ने, मेरे को तो नहीं आती थी वो, ना मेरे को किसी स्कूल कॉलेज में सिखाई गई थी वो, लेकिन वो एक इंसान ने मेरे को एक चीज सिखाई, और वो ऐसी सिखाई कि वो जिंदगी भर के लिए समझ में आ गई. तो दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड दैट इज हाउ अ पर्सन शुड लर्न. कि एकदम मतलब वो घुस गया तो ठीक है, और फिर वो लाइफ लॉन्ग याद रहा. अदरवाइज किताबी नॉलेज पढ़ते हैं लोग, फिर भूल जाते हैं 4 दिन बाद कि अरे यार क्या था. वही जो हमारे वेबिनार्स के साथ हुआ, इतने सारे लोग बहुत सारे वेबिनार्स कर लिए, लेकिन किसी को कुछ याद नहीं है कि क्या बात हुई थी.
I don't even remember, what I learned at the Dante level 1. I mean, it's all, I mean, I do have a bunch of certificates now, but
Yeah, that's true. So that is important. Learning should never stop. Whether you learn from a junior, a senior, or an older person, or a younger person, whomsoever, a person who is trained, a person who is not trained, doesn't matter. Everybody can make you teach something. Yeah. That is the problem in North.
We are not open to learning.
We are not open to learning. We have more. We here. People are in North. What I have realized is are more egoistic as compared to more understanding.
there's another problem in the North, which is, the sir attitude. It is not there in South.
Yep.
What is the sir attitude?
I mean, there are people or engineers, who want to be called as sirs.
Really?
Again, वो egoism and
You have,
engineer wants to be
I've
called
seen
sir?
some engineers do that,
The sir बुलाओ.
मतलब एक
क्यों?
तरह से-
क्योंकि वो नहीं, वो 20 साल से काम कर रहे हैं ना, इसलिए सर बोलो.
get me, tea, get me coffee. What I mean, I've seen.
Who do they say that to?
I mean, if they have a guy who's learning, or who's come there to learn from you, so that sir culture is quite a lot in North, in Delhi. उनके लिए sir के लिए चाय लाओ.
Yeah, but I really don't think these things really matter. If somebody wants to learn something and if he's really passionate about it, वो वहाँ पे जाके कुछ ना कुछ सीख के निकल आएगा. So these things aren't even counted then.
A lot of things are counted. You never know how an individual feels, to be very honest with you, and how he might take it to his heart. You never know that.
Yeah, that's true.
So I think we need to be compassionate
That's exactly what I'm saying.
the right way to somebody. That's all I'm saying.
Matlab,
Hey,
yeah,
this is
okay.
true. What Humayun is saying is actually true because this has happened with me also. So, like a long time back, a very, very senior engineer made me step down from the console because I was a newbie and all I had was curiosity. I wanted to know what is happening, what is that, what is that, what is that, what is that. I understand that I might have been bugging him at the time while he was doing a sound check and things like that. But you should not be that rude to a person that you tell him, you go fuck yourself and get off. No, that is wrong way. You can like people come to me when I'm setting up. If there are many people who come to me and who want to ask, definitely with Ayush also, Yogesh bhai also, and Humayu also, like people would have come and they would have asked ki, ye kya hai. If I'm busy, then I'll tell them ki right now I'm busy, I can can you please wait for some time. As soon as I get free, we can sit and discuss about that. And if I'm not busy, why not to entertain, like, yeah, of course, till the time that person is not hampering your equipment, there's no harm in other person looking at it or trying to have a feel, because सबको इनकी एटीट्यूड है. मैं बच्चा था तो मैं भी देखता था बड़े बड़े इक्विपमेंट, मेरे को ही मन करता था यार कि जाऊं मिक्सर को हाथ लगाऊं, टच करूं वो बटन क्या करता है क्या नहीं करता है. तो
Yeah,
why
yeah.
not? And this is how things become interesting, and this is how you start learning, and this is how that interest develops into a passion and people move forward on.
Right.
Just
This is
that.
very, 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 very valid thing which you guys are saying here. I mean, training and how you say something to somebody and how that person might, take it. You don't know. You could end up very interesting, because I don't think ever on open forums do we ever talk about these kind of things about attitude, behavioral things,
Yep.
north versus south,
This is
and
very important. See, working in an event industry is looks very easy, but it is not that easy. Sometimes I lose my cool on my crew, but as soon as I realize that I lost my cool, I go and tell them sorry. They see, boss, I'm really sorry about that. But as you know, we all are under pressure, and that's why I lost my cool. So I hope you don't take it personal. So it is better to like do it that way.
Yeah.
At least
That's true.
because you cannot snatch your respect, man. Like you have to go and
You
earn
need
it.
to earn respect. Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely.
And the more respect you have, and the more popular you are in the industry, and the more popular you're in the industry, I think it's better for you only.
so guys, how much experience do each of you have? Like, would like to share with us? I mean, you guys I have all of you. So,
Start with the senior most engineer here.
well, I'm oldest.
Yeah.
Shut
No,
up.
not-
No,
Most
not
senior.
oldest.
Let's
No,
say
no.
most senior.
Senior most.
Sir.
Yogesh
Sir.
sir कैसे हैं?
Sir
Chai
started
coffee
in
कुछ sir.
1997, so you can count how many years. 1997 was when I started work. So
I'm
the
sure when
biggest
when
level
you
delivery.
started, you also faced same things. Like not only that, matlab, you would have have seen the industry getting evolved and things like that, from those analog days to the new digital era and things like that. Because I would certainly say that the generation like not the current generation, the generation like from which we belong. So we have seen those both eras, the analog and the digital,
Yeah.
and I think the upcoming generation will gonna be missing that huge chunk of things from their life.
I think we've seen the best
Right.
of both, thankfully,
Actually,
which is why we know the difference.
Yes.
we are seeing the digital getting evolved, coming to the fine-tuned thing.
Yeah.
Analog का
Starting
जो
from
So एनालॉग का जो बेस्ट था और जो धीरे धीरे डिजिटल में डेवलप होके जो अच्छा बना है वो सब देखा.
I mean, starting from the era of the spool, जहाँ मैंने काम किया है, till now, I think it's
In the studios.
in the studios.
Hmm.
आज के डेट में तो कुछ भी नहीं है, just a hard drive, you put everything on and खैर anyway, वो भी एक वक्त था, अब ये थोड़ा सा फर्क है.
वो भी
But
एक
that was
वक्त था.
nice.
We should learn the good
I
things.
still,
Yeah,
I still have a spool machine in my house. My father's.
It works.
Oh, fully. It's a Revox B77 Mark II. It's a industry standard machine which was used for mastering in studios till. I think you would have used a Tascam.
I think it was a TIAC which was used.
So Tascam was the professional version part of TIAC. There were only two, Revox and Tascam, which were TIAC or Tascam, which were primarily at that time. So 97, that means you got 23 years. Great. We'll celebrate another 2 years' time. And you've gone through COVID also. Humayun, what about you?
I think somewhere around 2008 or 9 when I started.
2008-9. Okay.
So then I
That's
straight away went to audio design for a few months. And then after that, I started freelancing. And then I was heading Kingdom of Dreams. I did the entire programming for Sangura and some other plays over there. Then I was again freelancing. Then I was with Blue
Blue Frog. Yeah.
as the head of the department there. So then I joined High Tech and I was freelancing.
Right.
And then I quit High Tech and now I've been freelancing. But during all this course, I did quite a lot of courses, which I could to learn. So this was about how it went, and then when we started, I mean, we still remember. I think Ayush also might remember when the GIR used to happen. It used to happen on MH4.
Yeah. MH4 and then
MS4,
they used to have those
GB8, GB2,
Crest Audio,
Crest Audio,
How can you
Spirit 8.
forget Crest Audio?
Spirit 8 and all those.
Yeah. KF850s,
The
760s.
and then the
Yeah.
PM5D was like, wow, you're not even allowed to touch it. It used to-
I think like that was like one of the first time when I saw the PM5D and I saw the remote stage rack and the DSP 5D and DCU 5D. Like those were different kind of units altogether. Like the first time I got to use them, like I was not able to like figure out like what is happening. Like ये क्या है? मतलब on board भी inputs outputs है एक वो छोटा सा remote stage box दे रखा है उसमें भी input because people were not used to a remote stage box. So everybody
box,
knew
yeah.
that everything is in local. यहाँ से एक stage box जाएगा बड़ी केबल के साथ में snake के साथ में और वो उस पे काम होगा. But here the things are working on network and cascading and all that kind of thing.
Yeah,
So it was like fun. Like it was a different type of learning curve altogether.
So you've got a good experience with PM5D, na?
I have got good
About my
experience
experience with the
with
first
almost
time
every desk. I've got a good experience with almost every desk apart from two, which is Midas and SSL.
The first time I used a PM5D was two PM5Ds in Ethiopia.
Mhm.
No cascade cable
Mhm.
and about 45 artists on stage. Musicians, 45 musicians on stage.
So you were doing that Purana Jugaad, like take the
So-
master out and taking it in.
To top it all, this was the first time I actually saw PM5D. And the guy who was helping me set up didn't know a thing about the PM5D.
Oh shit.
So I was like, very nice. PM5D
like the
चलाना
worst
है, वो भी दो
situation.
और चलाना आता नहीं है. Anyway, अच्छा शो था वो. काफी अच्छा निकल गया फिर भी, thankfully. But हाँ यार, वो अच्छा इसलिए भी निकल गया because I had experience on analog. वो अगर कैस्केड केबल नहीं है उसका जुगाड़ क्या है वो पता था.
जुगाड़ क्या है exactly.
आउटपुट इनपुट में
और नहीं
डालना.
आता और डिजिटल पे शुरू किया था जिंदगी तो शायद मैं कभी नहीं कर पाता उसको.
Yeah.
So who's the next most senior? Mudit, Ayush? What of the you two?
What
I think Mudit is senior, right?
regarding in what like
How many years?
Like when did you
how
start?
many achha, when did I start? I think when I was in 10th standard. This was so I'll tell you what happened was, so my father, so he used to head up head an auditorium here in Jaipur, Birla Auditorium. So he used to be the head of that place, and so I used to go and see events and things like that. So long time back when I was in 10, I think around 2002 2003, I first started getting like interest in these kind of things, and I used to go and see my school ka play and those annual function and uske andar technically ghusna and all those kind of things. So that's how dheere then few of my friends we had a band and everything, so I used to work with them a lot. Then I started learning, and I started doing studies about these kind of things and did my courses and everything. Worked with certain studios for some time, 3-4 years, then started doing freelancing. Then joined audio design quite late, and things have been happy since then.
So Mudit, you know a bit about video also, right?
Yes. So, so when this was like it was a via path for me, during the early years of this when I was in this industry. So I had an option of going into the video thing also and doing the audio thing also. And so while I was doing my audio engineering and everything, I did a few courses on cinematography and filmmaking and those kind of things.
Nice.
So I had interest in that because I wanted to do Foley sound for movies and whatnot. So I wanted to just go and have a feel of everything possible is there, because you never know which one is gonna strike you. So yeah, video also. So I still do. I still help out with the video department if needed be, and if there's thing which is specifically needed from my side in making certain video projects or things like that, I do go and help them. I know almost everything about watch out, like the basic part and the watch out systems and like AV Stumpfil, which was there, and DJing part. There used to be RKO software and multi-screening setups and hardware, both hardware based, software based, and this streaming, like high bandwidth streaming, 4K streaming, and all those kind of things. So yeah, using
Nice.
that's a like more of a hobby for me, not as a particular part of a profession.
I think it's great. I mean, audio design is a great place to be when, fact that you want to do all this, you get that option to do it and
Yep,
Yeah.
yep.
dabble in all of it, Ayush?
That's true.
Yeah, so mine was a very weird start actually. I wouldn't say very weird also. So my dad used to distribute pro audio equipment in India. He used to sell. I think he got in Pioneer Professional into India. So I used to visit these places like High Tech and these kind of places. I used to meet people. I used to like go with my dad once in a while, just hanging out. So वहाँ से I started like getting. I used to be like very fascinated with big equipment, pro audio equipment and stuff. So as soon as I finished school, I told my mom I want to do something related to audio. So I started college, and suddenly in my first year of college only I decided, okay, I want to get into rental business of audio. Because I used to see these bands like Parikrama and Orange Street. They used to come to my school, them clones, and that time there used to be Audio Track, right? Audio Track used to be providing equipment for these kind of shows, and again I was always very very fascinated about equipment. So finally I decided, chalo theek hai, this is something I'm very interested in, and I want to do this. So then I started my research on internet, what kind of equipment to buy to start doing small club shows and stuff. So I did all of that, and finally I told my mom and my dad that okay, ये करना है मुझे, अब करना है. So they gave me some money to start with, and there's a place in there used to be a place in Southix called Cafe Morrison. Did my first gig there without any knowledge. I only had the bookish knowledge because I had done all my research before that. So my first gig, I reached the venue with all the equipment, and the engineer is Nitin Sidhu. He turns up. Yeah, actually, I owe a lot to him because I learned a lot from him.
Babaji.
Babaji. In that one particular show, I learned so much. So the first gig was Thermal and a Quarter, a band from Bangalore, and another band from Delhi called Half Step Down. I knew nothing about setups. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So I knew nothing about setup. मैंने अपने हिसाब से सब कर दिया. Suddenly Sidhu comes. He's like patching कर दी. क्या करिए कैसे करिए. So all my drum kit was haywire. मैंने पहले snare डाला हुआ है, फिर hi hat डाला हुआ है, फिर कुछ डाला हुआ है. उसने मेरे को सब बताया. मेरे को उस समय snake का concept भी नहीं पता था. I didn't have a snake cable then. So I was just wiring everything individually and all by myself. I was alone for that particular gig. But at the end of it, it was a great gig. Had a lot of fun. I haven't had any kind of formal education as such in audio. It's always just been on the job.
What year was this, Ayush?
This was 2007 when I was in my second year of college.
Okay.
Yeah, 2007.
Nice.
So yeah, from there, all of it started, and I've just learned everything by studying, reading, internet, and then like last year, I went to Audio Academy for a very short course.
The system design course, I think.
Sorry.
That tuning and designing course, I think.
Yes, yes.
So I see. That's very nice. So I see Arthur is watching. So if Arthur, you are watching, hi from all of us here. And I don't know
Hi, Arthur.
if you're still watching it or not, because it gives you a notification when somebody comes. So I think you've met everybody at some point. Mudit, of course, you interact with a lot. Yogesh, you know. Ayush, I think you.
I have met Arthur a
Yeah,
couple
you
of
met
times.
Arthur at Bombay. Humayun has
Yeah,
interacted
but
more with Nicholas
Oh, yeah.
at when we did this thing. So okay, and I have Camille is saying analog still is an attempt to achieve in today's digital world, and the world's crossing over. Sorry, why is this playing up? Wait, sorry. Analog still is an attempt to achieve in today's digital world, and the world's crossing over between both.
That's actually true. That's a correct
Yep.
statement.
Kabil comes from that
Yeah.
analog era, you know. So
Mm.
Yeah.
He comes from the okay.
I think Yogesh and Kabil have become very good friends. As well.
Yeah, they've done because Jodhpur Riff together, and that's where
We're roomies in Jodhpur, so
Yeah.
yes, we become very good friends.
whatever little sleep you get, that is.
I know.
Yeah, depends.
Incidentally,
On the-
this was my year for festivals, by the way. I think I told you all. I told Ayush you. I said I want to attend the ones you are doing. I told you, and the year I decided to attend the festivals. Festivals
Yes,
he comes for. Mudit, acha, Ankit, you already replied. Ankit was asking Ayush Malik, Mudit, when can I come to learn from you then?
anytime.
Whenever.
Students have started to come up.
Yeah, why not? Why not? हम लोग पेट में रख के थोड़ी लेके जाएंगे नॉलेज को.
Lovely. So, guys, thank you so much for
No,
coming.
sure.
Thanks
you.
for having us.
Thank you for your time. No, it's our pleasure. And of course, you know, if we hadn't, the situation wasn't what it is right now, I swear you guys would be having it for sure. I mean,
and playing around with
playing
it.
around with it and all. But I guess you all done at whether it was at Palm or when you know you already have kind of seen it a little bit in action. But to
Yep.
really show you what it's, I mean, lot of work has gone into it. It's like, of course, I'm not good. I've asked Arthur to actually come and do a session where he actually talks, because right now, since we can only talk, he's really going to talk about the more intricate things. You know, it's a tiny little thing, as you can see. I mean, just to give you an idea, this is a
A4 paper.
A4 paper. So it's actually with the grill. It's an A3 size, which is two A4 papers. You know, it's 15 kgs one box and 136 dB peak SPL. I mean, the output, which is true, which is these are absolutely true figures, not marketing figures. Equivalent output of any industry standard dual 8-inch. It's a 16 ohm box. So basically, with R4 channel, you can run 16 boxes on one amplifier. Of course, that's why for this I kind of I removed the grill to let it's a coaxial. So of course, you know, you guys know the
It
advantage
has
of
got. I
coaxial.
think it has got a selector switch behind. If you're using
Yes.
an NL4 and
Yes.
things like that,
Yes.
you can.
Yeah,
Yes.
Correct.
Kya baat hai?
So single cable does the trick, right? For a full system.
Yeah.
One 4-core cable, you can run 8 boxes because of it's got a switch +1, -1, +2, -2. So lot of small things which have been thought of. All the rigging is integrated on all the metal parts. You know, you've got a small frame there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. That's a small foldable frame. It's a little bar. It's a foldable aluminum frame, and you can fly up to 3 boxes on that. We have already, in this time, Arthur has also developed some new accessories. Ayush, remember we were talking about putting this, you know, on a ground stack sub.
Yes,
If you
yes.
put the dual 18-inch, already that
Adapter.
for the ground stack array frame that has been developed. So, you know, take any sub, put the cross on it, and put the tops on that if you want a ground stack. So
Nice,
this is,
nice.
of course, this of course is the, so as you guys are talking about portability, okay, so I didn't plan to move this around, but so just see, this is the ground stack system. This is on the dolly wheels, all integrated rigging. This is the single 18-inch sub, which is, it's a, bring it here.
Amazing.
Of course, you can do a cardioid setup with this. Very versatile, very small, really compact, and sound, as far as I think you guys are all, you
Yeah,
all
I've heard
heard
it. Yeah.
the sound, you all used it, you all got various components, and so soon this, as things get better, and that's it. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you for coming.
Most
Thank you for
welcome, and
sharing.
thanks.
Thank you
For inviting us.
No, it was our pleasure completely, and thank you for sharing. And Humayun, I mean, last minute, you just that's amazing. It's all on the group. You guys can read. Humayun says, "What happened? What happened, Humayun? That suddenly."
So I think my internet just stopped working. It was coming and going. So
Beautiful. Humayun stays just nearby,
Yeah.
so that's fantastic.
Nice.
That's great. And we've been so lucky that normally even the internet has graced us with the fact that we've had 2 hours uninterrupted. That's also a big thing, because
That's
at some
amazing.
sessions this is the new normal. You don't know when the connection just drops and all. Mudit, I know Mudit told me that I'm in Jaipur. My internet is a little this thing. So today the net is everything for us. We're kind of all on that. So guys, thank you, Yogesh. Thank you, Humayun. Thank you, Mudit. Thank you,
Thank you.
Ayush.
Most welcome.
thank you
Guys,
for
stay safe.
having us.
And please, I think this is great. As you said, education, as you said, sharing, whatever new things, ideas we can all do, we can put across. I think that's what we need to do. I mean, our purpose of doing this precisely is, we could have closed our office, we'd be sitting home, I could be sitting home, but I don't think that's a solution. If, whatever we can do, get out to things, new ideas. This is how you get ideas, This is how you kind of grow, share, expand. And that's what we need to do, because there's nothing else we can do with regard to the situation. It's beyond anybody's control, Frankly, even our governments, let's be honest. So
The first day of the unlock happened. So here in the local newspaper, the front page was a complete front page news, and there was only one sentence written: "Ab tumhare hawale watan saathiyon." So you can imagine. Yeah.
seriously,
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I won't name which newspaper, what photos were there on the sides and things like that. Won't get into all that, but yeah. So things are gonna different.
Atmanirbhar as
Atmanirbhar, exactly.
It's a question now of the health versus the economy. I mean, I really feel, I mean, talking on this, we are all that the number of people who won't be affected by COVID, they'll be affected by either some kind of depression or mental this thing. That is a bigger thing. As luckily we are seeing, our cases are normal. I know how many cases. Yogesh's mother-in-law, she had our engineer Karthik, his father's somebody. But I think I have some friends who kind of had, but luckily all home isolation, and they're okay. So unfortunately, what I feel is the fear psychosis is the worst thing. That is what's scaring the shit out of people. People are thinking, मैं बाहर गया, I met somebody, उसने छींक दिया, अब मुझे हो जाएगा. Literally, that's the kind of stuff, यार. I mean, if COVID is not going to kill you, yaar, fear is going to kill you.
Fear is going to kill you.
Yeah.
Take the precautions.
Psychological.
Huh?
That's true.
More psychological.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's not there, and I'm not saying throw caution to the wind and all that. Wear your mask, do all that. We all have to do that, but yeah, we have to go beyond it, yeah. It's there. What can we do? We guys got to be smart. We're all educated people, yeah. And honestly, so I really feel a lot of people who are educated are just kind of relying on WhatsApp forward. Somebody met me, पता है अब हवा में आ गया है. Actually said this. I was like, what do you say, yaar? I mean, हवा में आ गया है. It's like, okay, what should we do? Sit in a vacuum chamber or something? But right, guys.
See you.
Take care.
Signing off.
Thank you so much.
You guys soon.
Cheers. Bye.
Bye. Take care, guys. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.